If you want to know how long you are going to live, what metric should you look at? Is it your cholesterol, your blood pressure, your genetics? While all of those are important, extensive medical research has identified one metric that stands above the rest. It is the single strongest independent predictor of all-cause mortality. It predicts your risk of heart disease, cancer, and cognitive decline better than almost anything else. It is called your VO2 Max. Welcome to Longevity Lab. Today we are exploring the ultimate measure of biological youth and exactly how you can improve it. VO2 Max stands for the maximum volume of oxygen your body can utilize during intense exercise. Think of your body like a car engine. Oxygen is the fuel. Your lungs pull it in, your heart and blood vessels deliver it, and your mitochondria, the power plants in your cells, burn it to create energy. Your VO2 max is a measure of how efficiently that entire system works under maximum load. Why does this matter for longevity? Because every single cell in your body relies on oxygen to survive. A high VO2 max means you have a robust, highly efficient cardiovascular and respiratory system. It means your mitochondria are healthy and dense. A low VO2 max indicates that the system is failing, making you highly vulnerable to chronic disease. The data on VO2 max is staggering. In a landmark study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association, researchers followed over 120,000 patients. They found that cardiorespiratory fitness was inversely associated with all-cause mortality without an upper limit. In plain English, the higher your VO2 max, the lower your risk of dying from any cause. In fact, moving from the lowest performing group to just the slightly below average group resulted in a 50% reduction in mortality risk over a decade. Being in the bottom 25% for VO2 max carries a higher risk of death than smoking, having diabetes, or having coronary artery disease. The good news is that VO2 max is not entirely genetic. It is highly trainable at any age. While steady, moderate cardio is excellent for building a base, improving your maximum capacity requires pushing your limits. The gold standard for increasing VO2 max is high-intensity interval training, specifically the Norwegian 4x4 protocol. Here is how it works. After a warm-up, you exercise at a very high intensity, about 85 to 95% of your maximum heart rate, for exactly 4 minutes. You should be breathing heavily, unable to hold a conversation. Then you recover with 3 minutes of light activity. You repeat this cycle 4 times. Doing this protocol just 1 to 2 times a week places the exact biological stress needed to force your heart to pump more blood and your cells to build more mitochondria. Your VO2 max is more than just an athletic metric. It is the size of your physiological engine. By training your aerobic capacity today, you are building the physical resilience you need to thrive in your later decades. If you want to optimize your health span based on real science, make sure to subscribe to Longevity Lab. We will see you in the next video.